E kinde ma penj mag jopuonjre 965 ochakore pacho ka ayanga, jochung' ne penj go jiwo mondo orit chike mag penj kendo otegre gi tiyo kod ong'we yamo kuonde ma itime penj. Jatije mar NEC Laktar David Njegere kane otelo chenro mar yawo kendo keyo otese penj go e kaunti ma Narok, ojiwo loro simbe kendo tegore kod olete manyalo kelo timbe maricho. Jopuonjre mathoth dhi geno ni dhi timo penj ka ijiwo gi mondo omi gitim penj e yo makare ka arita kwe bende ojiw e kinde ma itimo penj gi. Jopuonjre 2,529 kama yowuoyi 1,014 kod nyiri 1,515 kuonde penj 23 mag skunde ji giwegi mag KCSE 91 oting'o jopuonjre 1,133.
In the time that the exam will be administered. This morning you have started with English paper 1. It is only a 2 hours paper. Inside those 2 hours, no one should be having a phone. There's nothing that is going to happen in 2 hours that will be an emergency. So in those 2 hours, please surrender all your phones. And they should be in a locker. And the only person who should be having the key to that locker is the supervisor. See, only right? If we do that, we are going to secure the credibility of exams in this country. The second thing is to remind you that as soon as the vehicle carrying the exams enters the center, the gates remain open until when the vehicle leaves. The third one is not a rule, it's an innovation that we have brought this year on personalizing the question papers. What you are going to collect from this container are question papers. What you will return are answer scripts. So that means as soon as the candidates finish doing the exam, you have to separate the candidates' details from the answer scripts, and please don't pack them together. There's a separate return sheet for the students' details.